Hi guys, I try to demonstrate you now how to solder your own RAM adapter for pinball machines. You can see all parts you need. Here is the RAM RAM. Here's a PCB, and these are some zip heaters, and these are some additional parts you do not need, but I will show you later for what you will need them. Okay, let's try to begin. At first you take the PCB and we prepare it. First, I put a little solder to the edges. Okay. And now there is the part that is a bit difficult. The RAM chip must sit exactly on the footprints. Okay. Okay, the hardest part is done now, and now we have to solder the other pins of the RAM chip. If you have no soldering skills, it is good to use a so-called polypropylene tape. It is a heat-resistant tape, so you can prevent that there comes some solder into the holes. Okay, I will show you for the first row. It helps if you take a bit flux, so the solder can flow a bit better. You see, my solder tip is clean, and it's not a very small tip. I would say it's a tip that is middle. Okay. We put some solder here, and now we take a row. Ready. Pretty simple, isn't it? Okay. Now we take the other row. Again, a bit flux. Plop. Okay, now I will try without the polypropylene type. Hope that all will be successful. Okay, again. You see, the last again. Okay. Ready. Okay. Now you see, it was only 1 minute. The next work we have to do, that's pretty simple work. We have to put the legs to the PCB. I take a dip socket and place the heaters here. Be careful there are pins that are a bit thinner and some are a bit bigger. The bigger ones have to go into the PCB. Okay, we put it together. Wow. The next should be easy. We solder the pins. That is only work of 1 minute. Okay. Be a bit careful that there is no solder bridge. First side, then the other. Please clean your solder tip a bit. Okay, we go on. Okay, ready. That was all. We take away the socket. Be a bit careful. The legs are a bit delicate. Stop. That should not happen. I was too fast for the video. Okay, you saw what I've done wrong. You should not be too impatient and do it very careful. Okay, as I said, normally it is ready now. You could put it in this way into the pinball machine. We will test it now. I will take the Neoloch tester. Thanks to David for producing this nice tester. Okay, I must look at the video. We put it in. Here is pin 1. Okay. We select the test. Oops, wrong test. We select, I stop it. Okay. Select the test for 6264. We put it in. And now look at the display of David's tester. We start the test. There is a fault somewhere. Okay, we take it out. Okay, we put it in again. Okay, and test it again. Might be it was not put in correct. Okay. You see, we have a fault again. I do not know why. It's good to have the tester. Might be one of the pins is a bit corroded or so. Okay. And test again. You see, RAM EC okay. What was wrong? I think that the pins were a bit corroded or the socket. Okay, let's try again. I take something for cleaning the legs a bit. Okay, I will do it. Might be there was a bit corrosion or in the socket here. Okay. Again. Okay. And test again. You see, all results passed. Now the address check and the RAM adapter is okay. You could put it into your pinball machine now. Okay. Now there come some extras I have on my adapter. I have some additional LEDs, one additional LED and one pull-up resistor. We will put it onto the tester. Okay. And now we try to place it. We should use some additional flux. Oops. Okay. And the next one. Okay. And the LED. Oops. Too fast. So, some plugs again. Now the other side. One, two, three. Next side. One, two, three. Ready. That was it. And now again David's tester. Okay. You see here. Put it in. And test again. Oops. Failed. We should look why. It's always the same. If you want to demonstrate something unexpected happens. I think it's one of the contacts here in the socket. Okay, again. I must clean it later. I think there is some corrosion. Okay, again. And we start the test. Now all is okay. I will replace the green text tool socket later. You see, all okay. Test again. All okay. And at last I will show you my own tester. One second please. I must install a battery. Okay, I place my tester here. You see, here's a battery pick. I will place it the way that you can see the control LEDs. You see, David's tester is much more modern. I will put the adapter in. Okay. Hope there is no corrosion at the socket. Okay, I put on my tester. At first the orange LED will blink, showing that the tester is testing. Green LED shows RAM adapter okay. Red says there is some fault. Okay, we start the test. You see the orange LED is blinking. And now you see the green LED lights. You see same result as David's tester. The RAM adapter is okay. And we can put it into our pinball machine. I hope that this video helps a bit to show that it is not so difficult to solder your own RAM adapter. Even if you have not so much soldering skills, it's pretty easy to do, especially if you use the polypropylene tape, and you will not have any problems that there will flow some solder into the holes. Here is the polypropylene tape, a roll. With this tape I can do 1,000,000 RAM adapters. Okay, thank you for looking at the video and many greetings to all pinsiders.